Hello, today I'm going to show you how we installed our corner trim and soffits. So we had to do something a little more unconventional because the space just wasn't working. So we built this thing to put in here for our soffit. Now we're working on doing our corner pieces right here. We're going to put a corner piece. This is where we're starting.
Oop, bad line.
You put it right in the top of the hole, I think, right? So it won't slide down, right? And this is moving too,
They suck. You gotta get galvanized this. Can you push in?
It's got to push up more.
Okay. Can you push in though? Yeah. Is that up good? Or is your nail stopping it?
My nail's not stopping.
Okay. So this is as far as it's gonna go.
Go. So we put our F channel in and corner cut our J channel, and now we're gonna start adding soffit. So now we're cutting the soffit to slide into the J channel and F channel that we created. Make several of these to just slide in like that. And we click one into the next one, and we're going to put a nail on it.
Since we can, why not?
Right. Hook right into each other. And we put one nail in. Rinse and repeat. We front loaded a bunch in. I've been cutting. Once we got to the end, the last one was only a couple inches long, but they all snapped in nicely, and now we have a beautiful soffit, and next step we'll be doing the siding. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.